We're here on the Vodafone stand, and joining me is the lovely Andrea, who is about to talk me through the Instant Fibre Link demo. I want to know all about this. So tell me, what is it you're showcasing and why is it so important?
We're introducing here a new concept. We call it Instant Fibre Link. As the word says, it means that instantaneously and temporarily we're able to reestablish a link, a fixed link that was broken using drones, Tethered drones. Okay? And this is very important because sometimes the links gets broken not only because of mistakes during civil works, but also due to some disaster that might happen. So in those cases, unfortunately, the fixed network is destroyed for a while, and then you needed to have a means to very quickly reestablish connectivity so that you can give a service to the people, and people can again start sending important data, even saying I'm alive, whatever they need.
So what we're talking about here is when there's a potential or a break in connectivity. Instant Fibre Link, there's a solution to kind of bridge that gap and provide some connectivity temporarily while infrastructure is in place or something's being fixed.
Exactly like that. You can imagine, let's imagine a case like this in which you have a base station connected with a fiber to another, and then the fiber gets broken. Okay, no worries. Whilst people repair stuff, you send some technician with the luggage here and with luggage there, and they will fly the drones. The drone will be tethered for the power supply and tethered, of course, for the fiber, and they reestablish this link wirelessly. And we are testing several technologies there to choose the best one.
Well, I mean, this is such a fantastic idea and a brilliant use case for drones, and I believe that's the drone behind us, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
We've been flying that drone. You can see video here. We flew that drone in south of Spain, next to Sevilla, and really that drone was able to connect to another drone at 500 meters. We did it for the first time already last month, so very excited about that.
Very exciting time. I can tell by the passion oozing out of you that you're very excited about this. So tell me, what does innovation mean to a brand like Vodafone?
Yes, innovation for me, it means looking at concepts that you thought were not possible, dreaming big, and then looking at the evolution of technology, and you can find out that things that you thought impossible 10 years ago now are possible, will be possible in 2-3 years. So innovation is really saying, okay, took those great ideas you say that they were not possible any longer, maybe now they're possible, and try to build a great product for our customers from there.
I've got to say, Vodafone is all about that, really. It really encompasses or embodies that sentiment really well.
Completely. Customer first.
Andrea, I knew this was going to be a great demo. Thank you so much. It has been an absolute pleasure talking to you. Keep up the good work. This is amazing.
Thanks.